Now the thing is why I am doing this thing. Major issue is this combination, this HVAC, fabricate, deliver, and so whatever it is, and 5 June 11. This combination is unique in this table, but this may be repeated 2 times, 3 times, or multiple times in these 3 individual sheets or in this main sheet. That's why I want the unique combination. So to do that, I made a summarized table with the group by function. Right now, I'm going to add a new column to get the plan from the budget table. To do that, I am clicking new column here. Let it come. Renaming it as plan using calculate DAX function. Calculate sum of budgeted units, filter budget table, WBS name should be equal to the WBS name of S-curve table. Then another filter, budget activity name should be equal to the activity name of the S-curve table, and week, budget week should be, oh, so, here also I need filter, budget week should be equal to S-curve table week. Closing all the brackets and getting the value. Okay. Now, in the similar way, I can get the value of actual and forecast. To do that, actual, calculate sum of actual units, filter actual, WBS name equal to WBS name, filter activity, so actual table comma activity name equal to activity name comma filter actual week equal to S-curve table week. Actual is also done. As you can see, there some of the values are blank here. Let's see. In the drop down, there are some values, but blank is also there. Now I am doing an ascending order on the weeks. So I can see that after 24th April 11, there is no such value in the actual column. So I can assume that the cutoff date in this case is 24th April. Okay. Now let's get the forecast. Forecast units, then filter, forecast table, WBS name equal to, again the S-curve table WBS name, comma, filter, forecast activity name equal to activity name filter forecast week week. So my guess was right. So after 24th April 11, the forecast is actually started from 1st May. So it is actually the cutoff date in this scenario.